everyone, welcome back to my channel. Renee Anderson, Gold Premier for Team Posh Musketeers, and it's a new month. Let's be honest, it's what, the 14th, and I'm finally getting this video done. It's been pretty crazy with birthdays to anniversaries to Mother's Day. So de Kooning and I are gonna finally come live and share with you what is in the Perfectly Posh Business Starter Kit for May. So you ready to dive into it? First off, like always, you're gonna get 3 really cool bags just like this. They're all gonna be different sizes. There's gonna be one for tools for your business, one with samples, and one for Perfectly Posh just for you. So this is the bag that you specifically wanna keep for yourself. The other ones, of course, are samples to hand out, and then the products for your business are products that are easy to sample out. So if you want to sample them out, or you can resell those products since you're getting them in your kit and recoup your kit back of the amount of money that you put into it. So it's really up to you how you want to work your business, and that's what's pretty cool about Perfectly Posh. So let's dive in, right? Okay, so in your first bag, you are going to get a purifier skin stick. These are awesome portable skin sticks. You're gonna get a ritual face mask. So our ritual face mask usually comes in a little pink container. It's pretty cool. So it is a pink face mask. It's something fun that you will only get in your Perfectly Posh starter kit. You cannot get it anywhere else unless you get a Perfectly Posh business kit. You're also gonna get a chunk. Our chunk bars are triple milled. They're huge, they last a really long time, and they smell phenomenal. They use sustainable palm oil, and we have a really, really great actual effort for our Guatemalan project because of these. You're also gonna get a hand cream. Our hand creams are an amazing creamy base that leave your skin feeling sultry and smooth, not sticky, not greasy. The apricot kernel oil that is in our hand creams really absorbs into your skin, creates a really, really soft, silky feel. Not a greasy feel, but a silky feel. You're also gonna get a bath bomb, so you can figure out how cool our bath bombs are. We do sell bath bombs. You can only get them as a Perfectly Posh consultant and through an actual Perfectly Posh consultant. You cannot order them directly online. So what's next? You're also gonna get in your sample bag quite a few packs of samples. So our pre-made samples come like this. So you're gonna get a few of these in your sample bag so you can stick a sticker on them with your name and address, or not address, let's not put your address, your name and phone number and your website, and you can hand these out wherever you go. Because the whole point of starting a Perfectly Posh business, it is a social sharing company. We're not in here for sales. We're here to share these amazing products and to get it on the people. It's Posh for People is what we're calling it, right? Lastly, we're gonna get into that last bag that you're gonna receive when you open up that really cool Perfectly Posh kit. You're gonna get a hot and gold face mask. This is our fun peridot gold face mask. It's loaded with moisture, it feels amazing on, and it's so fun because it's gold. You're also gonna get another chunk. Right now you're seeing Spossum chunk. It is our sultry, take me to the spa day chunk. It has eucalyptus in it, spearmint. It smells super refreshing, especially on those super hot days or if you have a little bit of the sniffles. You're also gonna get our famous face wash. This is our BFF. It is a scrubby base face wash, but you can use it daily. You can use it 2 times a day, but it's gentle enough to do it, and it smells like peppermint. It's phenomenal, trust me. You're also gonna get 2 more skin sticks. You can get the healer, and you're most likely gonna get the Sleepy Sleep skin stick, which is our lavender skin stick. They're both phenomenal, but once again, as part of that pampering portable line, they're so amazing to have all over the house, which I do. My skin sticks are spread everywhere because of my kids, let's be honest. You're also going to get a body butter or a scrub. We're seeing both. But right now, this is how big it is. It's a $24 value, but you're gonna get a body butter or a scrub within your kit. You're also gonna get a really, really fun line extension that we just launched. This is our Pearl Liquid Highlighter. It's absolutely gorgeous on. It's great for strobing. It's great for highlighting. It has this beautiful mica finish inside, but these are phenomenal. So get that mermaid look on with our May summer line in our highlighters. Lastly, you're gonna get 2 free gifts. That's what I said. 2 free gifts. You're gonna get our All About the Vase serum and body polish. So I love our body polishes and serums. Number one, the serum is that gel to water base. So it goes on like a gel, but when you smooth it around, it melts into your skin and it feels amazing. So it's that whole new Korean skincare line that is really, really big right now. The body polish is loaded with loofah pieces. It smells phenomenal and it shaves amazingly. So if you are a big shaver, which hopefully a lot of us are, you could shave with this. It doesn't gunk up your razor and you get the closest, most amazing exfoliating shave ever. So with that being said, what do you say? You get all of these products plus more for only $99. So that's over $200 of value for only $99. Now, what else do you get with the Perfectly Posh business? Number one, you get an amazing training resources. We have so much training, it's ridiculous. Plus, we reward you for completing those trainings. It's called our Quick Start program. So if you hit these amazing, easy, super simple sales goals within your 60 days, you get more free product or business supplies, whichever you choose to do. You also get an amazing team of poshers that will help you along the way, answer any questions that you need. And what's really, really amazing about Perfectly Posh and their business is the fact that you get to work it how you want to do it. There's no monthly minimums that you have to do or requirements. There's no extra fees. There's no website fees. There's no, I have to get so many special customers this month. Nothing like that. You work it the pace you want to work it and how you want to run your business. And that's what's amazing. That's why we like Perfectly Posh, right? Because it's the freedom that we have within this business. I absolutely love it. So hopefully we get to see you soon on the Poshy side. If you have any questions, please comment below or send me a message. I would love to answer any other questions that you have with this Perfectly Posh business. But wait! There's more. I'm doing a giveaway this month for my YouTube subscribers. So once you watch this video, comment below, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I am giving away a fun bath bundle filled with Perfectly Posh bath salts and bath bombs to one lucky YouTube subscriber. So don't forget to subscribe, comment on this video, and I hope that you have an awesome rest of your May, and I hope it's as mermazing as mine has been. Thanks, you guys. I'll talk to you later.